All right, this next one, honestly, I would normally not post or talk about something like this, but
Something salacious.
it just was too. It had so many elements to it
Okay.
that I couldn't avoid it, and also it's gotten a lot of activity. Kind of, I guess, in a way, reminds me of the tweet, although nowhere near the action of that other tweet. This has 173,000 likes and 30,000 retweets, so it's not as hot as the Burger King tweet in terms of volume. But this is a slugfest that took place between a customer and employees at an Arizona Bath and Body Works store. Now, I think the reason I couldn't ignore it is because of the Bath and Body Works component. It just seems like you're supposed to be in a relaxed mood in a place like that.
Yeah, there's a fragrance to it. Very meditative.
Like, what is the music
friendly.
that's playing? And you're thinking about
Bath time. Really.
Yes. I mean, what's more relaxing than Bath and Body Works?
Yeah.
If you can't relax in there, I don't know. I can't imagine. Every other store would have to be so very frustrating. Okay, so apparently, let me just break it down. There is a video. I don't know. You can show a small clip, and I'll break it down for you. Apparently, what took place, this was at the Arizona Fashion Square Mall. Viral clip. How many views does it have?
On Twitter?
It now has 10.5 million views. It was posted to Twitter. A whole fight just happened at Bath and Body Works. I'm dying. The original poster, Genevieve shows, and I'm sorry. It's just you're in the Bath and Body Works.
You're just smelling candles.
It's such a escalation. Apparently what happened, you could play just a little bit more. Just play this portion right here. There you go. Wow. Anyway, so apparently what happened is it was an argument about distance in the line. And this shows you where people are at in 2021. It was an argument over the distance between each person standing in the line, that somebody was too close to somebody else.
Okay. Yeah.
And then it was taken as offensive. And the other person.
But this doesn't work at all because they're like face to face.
Well, you see how that goes, Will. You get so frustrated and you don't de-escalate the thing, and then now everybody's rolling around.
Yeah.
And that's just the nature of being a human, isn't it? Is that you somehow think
it always ends up this way.
you somehow think you're gonna fix the situation by grabbing onto one another, and
Sure.
it basically never fixes anything.
Yeah.
By grabbing onto one another. Now, if you go to the end of the video, they do eventually break it up, and the patrons move on, and the woman keeps shouting, "I'm not leaving till I get my purse," because I guess her purse was dropped at some point. The woman shouts, "Let go of me," as another customer and two staffers rush over to intervene. Somebody else comes in to add to the thing at some point. Now, I am sure, because you could have clips of fights all the time, so I'm sure the key thing here is the fact that it is at Bath and Body Works in Arizona. Oh. I think that's the key element that lets us laugh a little bit at it, because it seems so
out of place,
goofy for conflict. Something like this to break out at a place like that. Apparently, the Bath and Body Works employees did try to de-escalate the situation, but then they wouldn't leave. Loud and uncooperative the whole time before the fight started. Yeah.
Woman's just recording. Genevieve.
Yeah, and Bath and Body Works has to come out and say, "We're deeply concerned about the incident that took place at the store." The incident was started over someone cutting in line, and it was not mask nor race related, just a good old fashioned lineup issue.
Oh, so it wasn't a distance thing. It was just someone cutting in the line?
It was something to do with the line. I mean, who's really going to know at this point? But it is going to be hard for people. People are going to have to remember the going out in public thing. Because everything's opening, or a lot of things are opening back up, and it's been like a year in some places that people haven't been in that proximity on a regular basis, maybe, and I don't know, just remembering the general politeness thing and
Yeah.
coexisting.
But you're at Bath and Body Works.
I know.
You know?
It seems obvious that at Bath and Body Works we're going to chill out a little bit, but apparently not. It's going to take some time. People are going to figure it out. Roaring 20s. Here we come.